The demonstration method is a teaching strategy where the teacher shows students how to do a particular task or process while explaining the steps involved. This method is often used to visually represent complex concepts or skills, allowing students to observe and understand the process in action before attempting it themselves. Key features of the demonstration method include 1. Visual learning. The teacher performs the task, providing a clear model for students to follow. 2. Step-by-step guidance. The process is broken down into smaller steps to ensure understanding. 3. Active engagement. Students can ask questions during the demonstration and are often encouraged to replicate the task afterward. 4. Real-world application. It is especially useful in subjects like science, arts, physical education, or vocational training where hands-on skills are critical. This method helps bridge theory and practice, making it easier for students to grasp practical applications of their learning.